PROLINE provides you with a system for your projects. The individual components from the PROLINE drainage and sealing system interact perfectly to guarantee the best results. The ProChannel modular construction system provides a design-oriented and safe solution for designing and installing of flush floor showers. We will illustrate here the installation of the PROCHANNEL-line as an elegant tiled recess. Commence the installation works by measuring the ProStrip insulating strip and position it around the shower area. The resulting projection from the insulating strip should be cut off flush with the finished screed height. The built-in height for the ProChannel must now be determined. The finished height of the screed, minus 2% gradient, gives the built-in height for the ProChannel drainage line housing. The following construction components are required for installing the PROCHANNEL-line: PROCHANNEL-line drainage line housing, ProFolio sealing sleeve, PROCHANNEL drain fitting, installation feet, sound-absorbing underlay for drain and feet, PROCHANNEL-line frame, PROCHANNEL tile recess. The dimensioning and size of the drain fitting have to comply with the built-in height, the on-site conditions, and the maximum water discharge volume of the shower fitting. The next stage is to fit and install the insulation in the shower area. You can set the built-in height to the precise millimeter height with the installation feet. Subsequently determine the built-in height by utilizing a spirit level. The drain fitting can be rotated through 360 degrees and can be simply adjusted to the on-site conditions. Now position the ProChannel drainage line housing with the installation feet and the drain fitting. Now mark the cutout for the installation feet and drain fitting. You can now cut out the insulation as required. Then fix the sound-absorbing pads with tile adhesive to prevent them from shifting, and subsequently lay the sound-absorbing pads in the cut-out recesses. Now lay out the ProBase AquaStop PE foil and cut out the holes accordingly. Now install the ProChannel drainage line housing in the exact position. The drainage pipe can now be measured and cut to size. The next stage is to install the sound-absorbing sleeve on the drainage pipe and then install the pipe. Perform a water test to control the drainage connection for leaks. The screeding works can now be commenced. Firstly, pack out the ProChannel drainage line housing so that it is stable at the required height and forms the gradient and counter gradient. You can now rule off the sloping screed. Control the gradient and the required built-in height with a spirit level and a yardstick. Now mix the tile adhesive and spread it evenly on the floor surface. Subsequently measure the ProFolio sealing membrane, lay it out, and press it into the adhesive. The joints of ProFolio will be sealed with ProFix DS sealing slurry and ProFolio butt joining tape. Sealing the corners will be executed with ProFolio sealing tape and ProFix DS sealing slurry. Clean the ProChannel drainage line housing with acetone. Once the ProChannel drainage line housing has been cleaned, it can then be adhered. Now adhere the ProChannel drainage line housing. Now evenly apply the AutoCall M500 hybrid adhesive and sealant on the complete surface area of the ProChannel drainage line housing with a floating trowel with 2 mm serrations. The next stage is to apply ProFix DS sealing slurry on the screed surface around the ProChannel drainage line housing. Now fit the ProFolio sealing sleeve onto the ProChannel drainage line housing and press it evenly into position. Now cut the ProStrip insulating strip to size. Seal the shower area with a ProFolio sealing membrane. The joints will be sealed with ProFolio butt joining tape and ProFix DS sealing slurry. The next stage is to apply the ProFix DS sealing slurry with a brush on the corner areas. Insert the adjustment corners as well as the internal corners and press them into place without forming any blisters. Simple, trouble-free sealing is ensured on critical positions, like the crossover points from the screed surface to the sloping screed, by utilizing the ProFolio sealing system. Highly flexible tri-lamination is the key to success for simple and safe installations. The shower area is now completely sealed. The PROLINE modular construction system thoroughly fulfills all the individual requirements for built-in units, as well as all design situations.